Hello, I've got an old plastic toolbox here which used to contain a belt sander, and unfortunately that belt sander blew up, so that's gone. But I still have this box, and I have a replacement or a different belt sander, but it won't fit in the box. Just can't close it up. So what I'm going to do is make it fit. Any of these boxes like this will work on these blown type plastic boxes. So what you need is a hot air gun. It's the regular hot air gun you'd use for decorating, something like that. Okay, whilst that one's warming up, I'll show you this case I've made a similar alteration to. I had my Milwaukee tools and didn't have a case for it and came by this one. So using the same technique, as you can see, it houses it all quite nicely, including a few extra spares, drill bits and things I can get in there as well. You can see where the plastic reformed. This one was a lot easier than the one that I'm currently doing, because this plastic lends itself a lot easier to melting quickly. The other one is quite tough, so will take a bit longer and more heat. But this was very, very quick, this one. Does the job very nicely. Back to the other one warming up.